Now we will learn about the different types of leaders who had played an important role while making the Indian constitution. So the first one is Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, 1875 to 1950, born in Gujarat. He was the Minister of Home, Information and Broadcasting in interim government, lawyer and leader of Bardoli Peasant Satyagraha. So he was a lawyer by profession, and he was one of the famous leader when the Bardoli Peasant Satyagraha took place. Played a decisive role in the integration of the Indian princely state. So he also played an important role to form the Indian princely state during the British rule. Later he was the deputy prime minister. Next, Abul Kalam Azad, 1888 to 1958, born in Saudi Arabia. He was educationist, author and theologian, scholar of Arabic. He was one of the famous Congress leader, and he was an active leader in the national movement, opposed Muslim separatist politics. So he was the person who opposed that Muslim that India should not be divided into two parts, that is Hindu and Muslim. Later he was the education minister in the first union cabinet. Next, T.T. Krishnamachari, 1899 to 1974, born in Tamil Nadu. He was member of the drafting committee. He was entrepreneur and Congress leader. Later he was the finance minister in the union cabinet. Next is Rajendra Prasad, 1884 to 1963, born in Bihar. He was the president of the Constituent Assembly. He was lawyer known for his role in the Champaran Satyagraha. So he was a lawyer by profession, and he played an important role in the Champaran Satyagraha and it took place in Bihar. 3 times the president of Congress. So he was the person who had become 3 times the president of Congress. Later the first president of India. So he is the first president of India, that is Rajendra Prasad. Next, Jaipal Singh, 1903 to 1970, born in Jharkhand, a sportsman and an educationist. So he was a sportsman, captain of the first national hockey team. He was the first captain of the national hockey team. Founder, president of Adivasi Mahasabha. He was the founder of an organization known as Adivasi Mahasabha. Later he was the founder of Jharkhand Party. Next, H.C. Mukherjee, 1887 to 1956, born in Bengal, vice chairman of the Constituent Assembly, a reputed author and educationist. So he was a reputed author and an educationist. Congress leader. He was also the member of the Congress, member of All India Christian Council. He was the member of an organization known as All India Christian Council and Bengal Legislative Assembly. Later he was the governor of West Bengal. Next is G. Durgabai Deshmukh, 1909 to 1981, born in Andhra Pradesh, advocate and public activities for women emancipation. So she was the person who played an important role for the development of women in the Andhra Pradesh, founder of Andhra Mahila Sabha. So even she was the founder of a organization known as Andhra Mahila Sabha. She was also a Congress leader, later founder, chairperson of Central Social Welfare Board. Baldev Singh, 1901 to 1961, born in Haryana, a successful entrepreneur and a leader of the Panthik Akali Party in the Punjab Assembly, a nominee of the Congress in the Constituent Assembly. So he was the nominee, that means leader, or you can say a person who stand in an election in the Constituent Assembly. Later he was the defense minister in the Union Cabinet. Next is Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi, 1887 to 1971, born in Gujarat. He was advocate, that means lawyer, historian and linguist. He was also a Congress leader and Gandhian, that means he followed the principle of Gandhiji. Later he was ministry in the Union Cabinet, founder of the Swatantra Party. Please remember who had formed these different types of parties and organization. Next is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, that is B.R. Ambedkar, 1891 to 1956, born in Madhya Pradesh. He was the chairman of the drafting committee. He was revolutionary thinker and agitator against caste division and caste-based inequalities. He played an important role for the different types of evil practices which are prevalent in India, that is the inequalities and caste system. Later, law minister in the first cabinet of post-independence India, founder of the Republican Party of India. Next, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, 1901 to 1953, born in West Bengal, Minister for Industry and Supply in the interim government. He was in the department of Minister of Industry and Supply in the interim government. He was educationist and lawyer, active in Hindu Mahasabha, so he was an active member in the Hindu Mahasabha. Later, founder president of Bharatiya Jansangh. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru, 1889 to 1964, born in Uttar Pradesh, Prime Minister of the interim government. So he was the first Prime Minister of the interim government. He was lawyer and Congress leader, advocate of socialism, democracy and anti-imperialism. That means he played an important role in order to give equality to all the people. He wanted to give all the people equal opportunity through right to vote, and he also was an anti-imperialism. That means nobody should be dominated by any section of the society. Later, first Prime Minister of India. Sarojini Naidu, 1879 to 1949, born in Andhra Pradesh. She was poet, writer and political activist, among the foremost women leaders in the Congress. So she was one of the most important women leaders in the Congress party. Later, she was governor of Uttar Pradesh. Somnath Lahiri, 1901 to 1984, born in West Bengal, writer and editor. He was the writer and editor, leader of the Communist Party of India, later members of West Bengal Legislative Assembly.